So I'm going to do some cheap redneck floor fixing right here. This is a mobile home. This floor is some kind of plastic or something. And it, at some point, has decided to come unstuck. Now what I did recently is sanded down this little part that sticks up till it was kind of flat. And then I put some black RTV, squeezed it down in there, and I put a big heavy weighted piece of steel on top of it to hold it down. Put a piece of wax paper between the steel and the RTV so that the RTV wouldn't stick to the steel. And then when I pulled it up, I had a flat spot on my floor. Now here's an example. I did this one a while ago. It's still got some of the wax paper on it, but I don't care about that. But what it did is it fixed this hole and the place where this was leaned up, which is, you know, something that you could trip on if you step on it. So I'm going to do the same thing right here. And the first thing I'm going to do is take this little sander. Just going to try to sand that part that is sticking up down a little bit, and then we'll go over it like that. And I don't really have a right tripod for you. Well, I might have something. I probably ought to get me some more decent or tripods. I don't see one in here. But not that much to see. I'm going to sand the spot and then I'll come back and show it to you when I get it doctored up. Okay, this is after I sanded the hole. And I'm going to use this. This stuff is made for cleaning computers. It's just a can of air spray. I'm just using that to blow any dust out in there. And then I'm going to take this little tube of black RTV and I'm going to fill this up, and then I'm going to put the wax paper on it, and then I'm going to put the weight on it. So I don't know if you can see it if I sit you down flat like this, but we'll do that. And we'll do this, and we want to fill that hole up. And I know it's going to squish out, but that's okay, because if it goes up under there, it's also going to help hold that down. And now I'm going to go get my weight. I've got a good heavy piece of weight. In fact, I might have a smaller one I could put on that, because I brought a big one, but that's not a very big hole there. Not a very big space. So let me run down back and get a piece of stuff, and I'll be right. A smaller piece, because I've got some bigger holes. I got one there and I got one by the front door. So I'll get me a smaller weight and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to do this. I'll do that just for extra good measure. And then I'm going to set something here so that when my wife comes in, she won't trip over that. And we're going to let that dry. I've got a little hole back there, but I got a big one out by the front door, so I'm going to go do the same thing with that. So I'll put that little fire extinguisher over there. That way when Honey Baby comes in, she won't slip on that. Now that plastic, that wax paper moved a little bit, so I might not get a real neat looking job there, but we'll have a look at it once it comes up. Nothing is fatal. Ain't nothing here we can't fix if it doesn't look perfect. We'll figure it out as we go along. Thanks for watching. That's it for me for now. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Now, keep in mind that it's black. I put a little bit of this gold on here and tried to blend it in a little bit so when you are walking around you don't see it so much, but I could do a little better job here. But you know, the whole point of this is to fix the floor so it don't stick up and you wind up tripping over it. It might look a little better on this one in here. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, that gold paint I use kind of glows in the light, but like I say, I might play with the color to try to get it to blend in. But I mean, it's a flat surface, so you don't have a piece of stuff sticking up that you can trip on. So, and it's a quick, easy fix, something that you can afford. in your trailer park. We living big here, right, baby?
I'm sorry?
We living big here, right?
Oh, we are.
We're fixing the floor with black RTV.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.